Okay. This Periscope broadcast teaches a math lesson. How do you find the equation of a straight line that is perpendicular to a given oblique line and that goes through a given point? An oblique line is a line that is neither horizontal nor vertical. And this is an oblique line. I have graphed it here. We want to know the equation of a line that is perpendicular to this one that goes through this point. 2, -1 is about here. So we want to know the equation of this line. That is going to be the answer to our question. Now, the first thing we have to do when we're answering this question is we have to find the slope of the line that was given to us. In general form, if I use algebra, I can transform that equation into this. And then using this small formula for the slope, I can calculate that the slope of the given line is 5. And I can express that as 5/1 if I want to, in the form of a fraction. Using standard form, it's already in standard form. It was given in that way. The slope is the numerical coefficient of x, which is 5. Of course, it is the same slope. And I can express that as 5/1. The next thing I have to do is justify my slope. If slope 1 is 5, and the lines are perpendicular to each other, then the slope of line 2 has to be equal to the negative reciprocal of 5, which is -1/5. That is the slope that I'm going to plug into the slope formula. So I write -1/5 here. I keep an x and a y because I need x and y in the equation. And I put another point that's on the line in this position. The other point, of course, is this given point 2, -1. Cross multiplying, bottom times top gives me 5 times y plus 1. I take advantage of this step to convert y minus -1 into y plus 1. Equals top times bottom, which is -1 times x minus 2. And then, simplifying, 5y plus 5 equals -x plus 2. Now I can give my final answer in the form of either a standard form equation or general form equation. If I want it in general form, it is going to be x plus 5y plus 5 minus 2 means plus 3 equals 0. Or if I want it in standard form, it's going to be 5y equals -x minus 3. Therefore, dividing everything by 5, I get y equals -x over 5 minus 3 over 5. I have found the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the given line, and that goes through this point. I have shown how I did it with calculations that justify my procedure, and I have also justified my slopes. A very important step. In an exam, you will lose marks if you do not justify your slope. Even if you use the correct slope of the second line, you have to explain where you got it. If you know the slope of a line and you know the lines are perpendicular, then you know the slope of the second line must be the negative reciprocal of the slope of the first line. This is the Free Math Tutor. To see many more videos like this one, go to www.thefreemathtutor.com, and thank you very much.